Hello, 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 hello. We back the TTM with another amazing, healthy, super healthy video. Remember, they say you are what you eat. So guys, I'm gonna be doing another healthy, super healthy carrot and pawpaw smoothie. Woo, guys, I've got my pack for 7 days. I'm gonna be having this, and let's see what's gonna happen. Ready to glow. Come and glow with me. Yes, guys, I've prepped my carrot, I've peeled my pawpaw. For those who don't know the pawpaw, I'll just show you quickly. This is the pawpaw. So I used half, and then I peeled it off outside, and you literally just nicely remove the seeds. You can actually replant these seeds. So this is that's my pawpaw right there. And then, so this pawpaw, I've got a glass of milk. I've got yogurt. You can use plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt. It's entirely up to you. And I'm gonna add a twist of cinnamon. And of course, we've got honey. I prefer organic honey. It's far much better than any other honey. So guys, I'm gonna now throw everything into the blender, and then we're gonna have a healthy super smoothie. But before I put in everything into the blender, I'm gonna share with you the benefits of the carrot and why we're going this healthy way, the healthy route. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I did my homework, about this whole carrot thing. Well, I've been drinking this for a while, although I wasn't consistent. But we all know they say have a carrot a day, eyesight will be sharp. So these are the benefits and the true benefits of the carrots. Carrots, I'm gonna be reading, guys. I'm not a doctor. I'm just kidding, Carrots are good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants. And these are the amazing vitamins that it actually contains. This yellow piece, orange piece, orange. So the first benefits, I'm going to share with you 7 benefits of the carrots. It boosts eye health. It also, the second one, it's also very good for weight loss. So if you're struggling with weight, go for this smoothie, honey. You're gonna start losing weight because it's high in fiber, and it also helps with digestion. If you're struggling with constipation, this is your way to go, because again, the dietary fiber in it is super amazing. And then it also fights cholesterol and boosts your health. So if you are fighting cholesterol again, this is the way to go. The high fiber of carrots also boosts heart health, removing the excess LDL cholesterol from the walls of the arteries. So it basically cleans your arteries, and there will be blood flow. So hello, why not eat carrots every day? And it also lowers your blood pressure. The reason why it's packed with potassium, it helps relax the muscles and the tension in your vessels, thus enhancing blood flow. Then I think my last 2 points. It's good for your skin, guys. It boosts your skin. It just gives you the glow. Apart from the carotene and the lutein, English, and the lycopene, it's got this amazing high silicone contents of this amazing orange thing that promotes skin and healthy nails and skin. So those are the benefits, and for you to benefit even better for your skin, have it raw. So just peel your carrot and munch on it. It will do you good. Lastly, it does boost your immunity. You can't go wrong eating carrots every day. So yes guys, let's do the smoothie now. There's a knock on the door, by the way. I'm gonna throw everything in the blender. And this needs to be blended so well. So you need to blend it so that you have nice and creamy and smooth. You know the carrots are quite hard, so milk. It's gonna be quite a smoothie, and it's gonna be quite enough for the three of us. Some dash of cinnamon. This is optional. Lastly, honey. Oh, oops.
There we go.
Some dash of honey, guys. I'm not gonna put a lot of honey.
Mommy, please put more.
That's enough. You're trying to be sugar-free, guys. If you can't do without honey, go for it. It's because of my kids that I'm putting honey. If it was just me alone, I was not gonna put honey.
If it was me alone, I would have put more.
Okay, guys, we're gonna make some noise. So we'll see you after the noise. Guys, I'm done with the blending my carrot smoothie. Carrots and pawpaw, by the way. And this pawpaw is also very good for digestion, guys. So like everything here, it's super extra healthy. Like my son says, I'm extra. So it's all about healthy living. So I'm gonna go ahead. Please come closer, Mr. Cameraman, and zoom in. It's nice and thick, guys. Like this is the perfect.
Just putting mint leaves are unnecessary.
Packed with vitamins. Yo.
It's chai.
Ooh la la. Check it out. Check it out. So I'm gonna go in right ahead and taste. It is yummy-licious. Cheers to this, guys. If you've enjoyed the video, guys, please subscribe.
Hashtag extra people.
Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Click the like button as well. Also, put your comments if there's anything that you thought would have actually added on the smoothie or you would like us to do. Please let us know. We are open to suggestions. We are open to advice as well. Or if there's any topic that you would like us to cover up, or any other healthy recipe that you want us to actually, bring it through, we are more than happy to do that. Guys, thank you. And we are coming for the 500 subscribers. We acknowledge that, guys. It has been a journey. Yes, we have hit 250 now. So we thank God for that. And we say we are grateful, super grateful for your support. And let's go. Thank you, guys. See you.